this segment I'm going to talk about what is psychiatry. So psychiatry is a medical specialty where psychiatrists, they diagnose and treat patients who have mental illness. So mental illnesses are disturbances of either emotions, behaviors, thoughts, really your perception of the world. And the treatment can either be pharmacologic with meds or psychotherapeutic with therapy and counseling. So the setting that a psychiatrist works in can either be outpatient, your typical like go to the doctor, have medical management once a month or so, or inpatient where there's a unit, psych ward as you might have heard, where it's just patients with psychiatric illnesses, or consults where the psychiatrist gets called on as a specialist to another team. There's also emergency department psychiatrist where it's a psychiatrist helping in a moment of crisis for someone with mental illness. But in all of those settings, it's helping someone with mental illness recover or live with their disease.